Okay, it's Thursday, August 27, 2026. I immediately upon starting the car for the first time this morning, I got a code 9, pretty much, within the first few seconds. And I could tell it wasn't the strong start I had yesterday. Anyway, so I got in the car now. I drove with the code 9 on the whole time to Sam's Club. So I'm at Sam's Club now. And I'm going to turn the car off, and then I'm going to try to start it right back up without giving it any gas and see what happens. See if just warming it up this much will eliminate the code 9. So I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to wait about 10 seconds, and then I'm going to fire it up, no gas. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Nope, no start. Yeah, see that? That's back to where it was a couple days ago. I don't know what the problem is. Let me do it this time. Turn it off. This time let me start it up and give it gas. See if I can keep the code 9 off. Nope, that's that really rough start again that I was having a couple days ago. Oh shit, now I'm not starting at all. Fuck. Alright, I'm gonna go inside and come back out and see if I can start it up later. Not a good thing. I was not expecting this.